In this video, I'm going to show you how to count in PlanSwift. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top over here and you want to select where it says count on the home tab. Now, if you want to use auto count, this is a separate feature. I have a separate tutorial on my channel on how to use that, so go watch that in case you are interested. Now, here inside the count, you can click on this arrow down and you have a bunch of different options. You have single click, labeled, scaled, circle, square, diamond, plus, etc. A bunch of different things. You can just go, for example, and use the single click, and with this, you basically have to give it a name and then the color, and then you can click on OK. And as you can see, this will basically kind of auto count whenever you click inside an area like that, and it's going to allow you to basically find these things automatically. However, if it's not working well for you, or if you want to do it manually, which I'm assuming you're trying to do it manually because you're watching this video, you can go up here and, for example, just do like a circle over here and then just click on OK after selecting your color, and you can just go ahead and basically place these by clicking, and you can see, as you can see next to my mouse cursor here, it's basically showing me the count. Okay, that's the first way. You could then go and use a square as well, and again you can select the color, name it, whatever, and you can go and of course basically count with these squares as well, and you'll be able to see how many there are because of course the cursor next to my mouse. And then again you have a bunch of different other things, star shapes, all new shapes, geometric shapes, etc. And you could of course go ahead and do that as well, which is of course completely up to you how you want to do this, but that is basically the easiest way to count. And then over here on the left hand side, as you can see, you'll be able to see how many of a specific basically symbol you have. So if we look on over here, I have new count. I haven't renamed this, but that's circles. There's 9 of them. We have 4 squares, and then this new one, we have like 1 over here. So that's basically how to count. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.